Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Live Well with Coach P. And today's recipe, guys, we're making a high protein breakfast shake. So let's shake it up. So for this recipe, guys, there are some foods that you have to have, and then there's some food items that you don't have to have. All right. So the first have to have is a plant-based protein powder. All right. If you're not plant-based, then just use whatever protein powder you have on hand. But if you are plant-based or vegan, then definitely make sure you have a plant-based protein. Now, the brand that I'm using is Orgain. It's their organic protein powder in vanilla bean flavor, and their powder packs 21 grams of protein. The other items include rolled oats, nut butter, flaxseed powder, cinnamon powder, ginger powder. We're gonna need some frozen bananas, organic soy plant-based milk. Now, if you have allergens to soy or you don't like soy milk, then you can use another plant-based milk. Make sure it's unsweetened, as well as a pinch of salt. I know what you're thinking, isn't that gonna make this smoothie salty? I thought so too, but when I made it with the salt, I was like, okay, it brings out the flavors a lot more. So definitely don't skip the salt if you want that enhancement. All right, and then the last two food items, guys, are optional. One, it's my calcium carbonate powder that I was adding for even extra calcium, and then moringa seed. But if you still want to add in moringa, because you may have access to moringa leaf powder, you can use that. You don't have to have the moringa seed. And that's basically it, guys. And then what you're going to do, guys, after that, once you have all your have to haves, you're going to go ahead and add everything to a blender and then blend until smooth. All right, guys. The recipe and its measurements are listed below for you guys to make sure you're adding in the correct amounts so you can get the exact same result that I did. So thank you so much for watching today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video or want to see more videos like this, definitely give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, welcome aboard. Click that subscribe and notification bell. All right, guys. Bye-bye.